Hey, would you like to know how to make crypto for free? Got you covered. Pay attention. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it coming up. Hey, everybody. Welcome back. Deon Sylvester here. Welcome to another affiliate marketing episode where I reveal the best offers for you to promote right now that are crushing it in the affiliate marketing space. Remember, these offers don't require you to create your own product, handle any shipping, or your customer service, or even build a website. As an affiliate, all this that's done for you. Your job is simply to promote these products and services and collect a commission on every single sale. And today, I'm going to show you how to make money in the crypto space without using any of your own money to buy crypto yourself. And if you stay into the end, I'll show you how to make this method, turn it into a full-time income using affiliate marketing. But before that, if you're new here, I want to welcome you to this channel. My goal is to provide you with the best content to make money on the internet, especially if you're a beginner. And whenever somebody asks me, say, Deon, what's your favorite way to make money? I always tell them affiliate marketing. Because see, with affiliate marketing, there's no need to create your own product, no need to create your own service, no need to create your own course. You simply promote somebody else's finished program and you collect a commission every time a sale is made. For me, it is the best method that I know to make money online, no matter what your level of expertise or experience is. So I created this channel where I can release those new strategies and give them to you absolutely free. So be sure to hit the like and subscribe button so you'll be the first to know whenever a new strategy is live. Matter of fact, I'm giving a lucky person a free 3-day, 2-night vacation for simply qualifying by entering my drawing. And in order to qualify, you have to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell on this video. So when the drawing is held, you'll know because we're going to do it live and keep it fair. All right, so let's get into it. Now, instead of spending all of your hard-earned money on Bitcoin or other cryptocurrency, Doge, you're going to become an affiliate of a platform called Coinbase. Coinbase allows you to buy and sell both the big and smaller coins on their platform. So whether you invest in long-term in Bitcoin or Ethereum, or you're trying to get in on that Doge coin, you can trade using the Coinbase platform. But what we are going to do is become an affiliate of Coinbase. That means after we create an account, instead of buying up all the coins you see on the platform and hoping one of them goes to the moon, we're going to get a special link that allows us to earn up to $10 in Bitcoin when somebody else signs up for the program and invest in one of those coins. That's how you can make money in the crypto space without having to use your own money or research your own coin. This is great because no matter what the price of Bitcoin is next year, you'll still be making money because you aren't investing in any of your own. Now that we've got the offer, we're going to build an affiliate funnel. And I use the software called ClickFunnels, which allows us to quickly build these affiliate funnels out. In fact, my team built one just for this funnel, and I'll include a link in the description where you can get it for free and use it to promote Coinbase. How's that? But here's a quick breakdown of how an affiliate funnel works. Okay, typically there's two parts. First, there's a landing page where you invite someone to give you their email address in exchange for a free gift that you create. You'll see why gathering these email addresses and building a list is so important a little bit later. But for now, just know this page is designed to build your email list. Since we're talking about crypto right now, that free gift could be a PDF guide or a video training on the best coins to buy right now. It can even be a simple tutorial on how to buy and sell crypto coins because for many people, that's still a huge mystery. Second, you're going to build a thank you page, which gives them the free gift, but also includes a place to put your affiliate link so when someone clicks on that button and makes a purchase, you get that sale that quickly. So now that we got our offer, we got our affiliate funnel built, it's time to move to the next step. Promote additional offers through email marketing, promoting Coinbase. That's a great way to make some cash, whether you plan on holding it on for a long term or you want to cash out quickly. But if you're really looking for a way to turn this into a full-time income stream and make some serious money online, the way to do that is to continue promoting offers and continue promoting services to your list. They can be additional affiliate programs from brokers. They can be courses on training programs on how to make money from crypto or trading stocks, additional courses on how to make money online. That last point is key. While many people are interested in crypto, what they're really interested in is making money from a small investment. which is exactly what internet marketing opportunities do. The best part, a lot of these courses that teach how to make money online offer excellent commissions, even better than Coinbase or other referral friend programs. That if you're interested in promoting what I think is the best course out there to make money online, you have to check out the link in the description below. The reason I love this program is that it's not simply just another training course that shows you how to make money online. You're actually partnering with the creator of the program and plugging yourself into his entire funnel. So rather than just promoting a course as an affiliate, you're promoting a whole ecosystem of products, software, and programs to make recurring passive income day in and day out. Check it out in the link in my description below. Don't forget the Entrepreneur's Vacation giveaway. To qualify for the 3-day, 2-night vacation, do a few things. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you will know when we do the drawing for the vacation. And you'll be notified when I release my next training. Guys, until we meet again, this is Deon Sylvester saying, take your life back 1 minute at a time. See you guys next time.